Welcome. In front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I will show you how to enable developer options. So to get started, you want to go into the settings. From settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and then find build number, which is right at the bottom. Start tapping it 7 times, and then you will get a message: you are now a developer. And if you go back to the main page, you will now see that in the settings there is one additional option called developer options. So you can tap on it, and then you have an access to all the developer options, which I just enabled something by mistake. Okay, as you can see, you have access to everything here, and you can start disable stuff. Now be mindful, some things may actually affect how the device works, so make sure you know what's changing. And if you want to disable it, you can always just flip the switch right here. And if you go back and actually reset the app, so if I would close it, let's see. How do you even close apps on here? Basically, when you reset the app, it will then remove it from the settings. So yeah, and yeah, that is how you would enable the developer options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.